your local weather authority with Chief Meteorologist Jesse Walker.
Welcome back, everybody. Tomorrow night, 24 hours away from doing the winter outlook. So, as you know, I always grade myself. So, here's how I've done. I've been doing winter outlooks for close to 30 years now, but in 06, 07, I started keeping detailed record of how I did. So there you are. The best year I had was 14, 15, although 23, 24 was pretty good too. 21, 22, you learn from your mistakes sometimes, but 53% on that one. When you add all of those up, here's my long-term average over the last 19 years. And yes, it's tomorrow night that I'll be doing my complete winter weather outlook. I've got a peek of what my digital guy is putting up for us to put on the website. The graphics look great. We'll have a ton of stuff for you on the website. And the sponsor locations you see there also should have brochures out there probably as we head into tomorrow night and into Wednesday if you want to pick those up as well. So almost time to do the big winter outlook. And we've actually got a little winter weather in the forecast, believe it or not. 52 and 35, high and low for the day. Look what happened in 1952 below zero for the record low. No rain here yet, but there is rain moving in as we get into the overnight hours tonight. River stage in Terre Haute is about 4 feet, and it is stationary. The Stints Realty Team Water Tower forecast. We take you over to Paris, Illinois. Rain moving in tonight, but the temperatures won't drop much, down to 47. We're not far from that right now. See the spin in the atmosphere right there? That's our storm. Some severe weather today in Texas, including at least one confirmed tornado near the Houston area. So it's been a busy day in East Texas. But for us, a lot of that moisture kind of getting soaked up by the bigger storms down there. So we're not talking about big storms here or anything excessively heavy with the rainfall here. So we got the cloud cover across the area now. The clouds will eventually give way to some rain. You can see some of that on the Dorsey Automotive Doppler radar just getting ready to come into our western counties. So that will happen tonight with these showers. These will probably peak between, say, 11 p.m. and 2 or 3 a.m. Should be out of here by mid-morning tomorrow, 8 or 9. The clouds will stay, and then watch what happens late in the day. You'll start to see a distinct clearing line right there. That is a cold front coming through, and behind that, it's going to get a lot colder, and the wind is going to pick up. So it's a big changes on the way as we head for Wednesday and Thursday. We can kind of show you that because when the cold front comes in, the drier air comes in. So watch these dew points tomorrow. Once we hit, say, early afternoon, dew points in the 50s, but then watch what happens to these dew points as we take you into Wednesday. I mean, they drop dramatically, so the air is going to be much drier and much colder. After that, we're going to watch late Friday, Saturday. It's too early to really start talking in great detail, but there could be either some snow or rain snow mix developing Friday night into Saturday, probably changing into rain and then moving out of the area. So anytime from Friday night to Saturday night, we'll keep an eye on. We'll talk more about that as we get closer, but that could be an impactful system. And then behind it, another push of some colder air. Definitely things are going to start to get active. And when we look at the first part of December, we've talked about this, December 2 to 8, look at this, below normal temperatures expected across this part of the country. So forecast tonight, rain moves into the area, 47 for the low, so the temperatures don't drop much during the day tomorrow. Showers mostly very early in the day, otherwise cloudy. Temperatures may fall about mid-afternoon when the front comes in, 57 for the high. After that, temperatures will be a lot colder. Right now, Thanksgiving, 37, 36 Friday. We'll keep an eye Friday night into Saturday for the next system as it heads our way.